Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's time for another tag video. This one is a Thanksgiving, fall, Halloween tag. Alright, so, Tag Tuesday, you know it always happens on Tuesdays. I tend to miss it, and I put mine up on Thursdays. I actually was going to get over to my parents' house and have my parents help me answer some questions and get their point of view and introduce you guys to them because they're great people, but neither one's answering their phone. I sent a good morning text. I got to the family. I got a response from my sister about noon. Still haven't heard back from them yet. So they're not here. I am going over to their house on Sunday, which I'm really excited. I do not visit them often enough. So I'm going to be going over there Sunday. I'll do my weigh-in video first. So if I record stuff, it'll probably just be like a bonus video. If I can think of something interesting for us to do that you guys would want to watch. If you have any ideas, let me know. Yeah. So anyway, so this is Tag Tuesday. Sandy, of course, over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy has tagged me because we kind of claimed each other. And at one point it was funny because we kind of locked each other down. We're like, wait, no, neither one of us got tagged, so we couldn't tag the other. So now lately she's been the one getting tagged, which is great. So thank you, Sandy, for tagging me. If I ever get tagged first, I'll tag her. And yeah, so, and then of course, Tracy over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl, she always comes up with the tags. She has a big database full of questions that she just throws up. And this one is more what I like. I like Halloween. So anything that's gonna bring up Halloween makes me very, very happy. Should I do that? Okay. Random side note before I get into the questions is because I love this thing. 1 second. So y'all know how nerdy I am. Obviously, I have a Harley Quinn lamp behind me. I've got Doctor Who tattoos on me, Zeta tattoos. My roommate got me this. Is this not freaking awesome? If you don't know, Harley Quinn, well, she's gotten popular now because of the Suicide Squad movies, but this is from the comic books. All of these are from different comic book issues, and I'm in love with this thing. Okay, it's not show and tell, but if it was, I would also be pulling out this. Aren't these really pretty? This is made by Paige Pastor. If you watch Favorite Pastor, it's her daughter. I work with her, and she makes these, like homemade. Well, this is coasters. Love it. Yeah, so just want to yell congratulations to her and to me for this. Anyway, questions. That's why we were here. We're 3 minutes in and I haven't even answered one question. Let's do it. Number 1, apple cider or hot chocolate? You know, I don't really drink much of either. Last year for a video, actually, I did make apple cider in the Instant Pot. That was pretty fun. But I feel like if I'm going to drink one or the other, typically it's probably going to be more of a hot chocolate for several reasons. 1, chocolate. 2, I like homemade stuff as far as those 2 specific drinks go. And while apple cider is good, it's a process to make. It's not that complicated, but it's still a process. Versus hot chocolate, much easier to make. So probably hot chocolate. All right, number 2, Thanksgiving or Halloween? Easily Halloween. 1, I do like Thanksgiving, and I like reminding myself to be thankful, and I like getting together with my family, but I love dressing up. I love not having to have something so formal. I like getting together with people, but I don't like formal organized things. Let's just get together. We're gonna hand out candy or walk the kids around. That type of stuff I love. And I mean, if it was a normal world, I like going out to the bars and seeing everybody's really fun costumes. So Halloween, easily. Number 3, do you call this season fall or autumn? I typically say autumn. For a while there, I didn't because a friend of mine had some baby mama drama, her husband's ex, who was named Autumn, and she would get mad anytime I said autumn. We don't talk that much anymore, and I'm pretty confident she doesn't watch my channel, so I say autumn now. I just think it sounds nicer. Plus, I like the, I can't say it out loud, but I love hearing it. Autumnal equinox. Did I say that right? Tell me. But I like that phrasing. Anyway, number 4, trick or treat. Treat. I like handing out candy. I do like eating candy, but not that often, but I do like it, but I prefer handing it out. Luckily, we don't do too much of the trick or treat, too much of the tricks as like maybe some other cities do, or like in the past they do. We do tell jokes though, which is apparently a St. Louis thing. I believe I've mentioned it before, and I'm probably going to mention it again. But kids, when they're coming up to the door, we ask them to tell us a joke. And so like little kids, we're always prepared with this one joke that we're going to tell to every house. And I love that tradition. I don't know how it got started, but apparently people say it's not worldwide, or at least nationwide. It's like a St. Louis thing. So if that is new to you, let me know. If you guys do that in whatever city you're in, let me know. I'm really curious. Number 5, carve pumpkin or pumpkin pie. Last year or the year before was the first time I, in my adult life, remember carving a pumpkin. It was fun. I do enjoy it. But if we're like choosing that or pumpkin pie wins. I love pumpkin pie. You can eat it. A carved pumpkin, like you can bake the seeds, but other than that, you just sit it on your porch to rot. I'd rather make a plastic pumpkin and eat some pumpkin pie. All right, number 6, haunted house, haunted hayride, or haunted corn maze. Why choose? We live in a really cool world right now where, well, not right now because of pandemic, but like I know we've got some haunted houses that have all 3 involved. Where you go through the house, you hop on the hayride to the corn maze. So I don't know why you would need to choose when you can just do that. But if I had to choose, I would say a haunted house out of those. Yeah, there's a lot more options with the haunted house, I feel. So yeah, I'll go there. All right, now it's no longer this or that. These are just questions. Number 1, favorite Halloween candy. Do you guys know the answer to this? I'm pretty confident you guys know the answer to this. If you have watched my videos regularly enough, you know the answer to this. It would be the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups pumpkin shapes. You know, I love Reese's Peanut Cups in general, but the Halloween shapes, the Christmas shapes, the Easter shapes, the ratio of peanut butter gets upped, and it tastes so much better. So it tastes better. So yeah, so that's an easy one for me. And also, I don't hate candy corn. I know a lot of people like are putting out the things, I need candy corn, and then they throw it in the trash can. Don't do that. 1, it's wasting. 2, give it to me. 3, don't give it to me because I don't want to eat the whole bag. Yeah. All right, number 2. Do you shop on Black Friday? I typically do not. Typically, I work. I do hair. So we are open. And typically, I work Friday. In the past, I've always worked Friday mornings. And so I have checked out the Black Friday store, or the Black Friday deals when I went into a store after work, when it's settled down. It's not that crazy early stuff. And guys, most of those deals are available on whatever store's website. So calm down, shop online, you can get a really great deal. Or wait for Cyber Monday. Really great deals there instead of dealing with the craziness, especially in times of COVID. Don't do it. All right, number 3 of this section. One thing you love about fall and one thing hated. I love everything about fall. I love the weather cooling down. I love the changing colors. I love the leaves falling. I've talked about this before. I love the look of a tree without leaves when its raw self is exposed. So I love all of that coming down and changing. And like I said, the cooler weather. I love making campfires or bonfires and the smell of that in the air. I love all of it. So something I hated. Also bugs go away. Makes me very happy. I need to think of something I hate, not something else I like. Something I hated. Maybe, okay, hated, especially since it does say hated. As a kid, I hated because I would get really bad seasonal asthma, and during the change of seasons, I would get it. Also, before I answer the next few, I realized I did not say who I am tagging. So hopefully you've watched this far in to find out that you're tagged. But real quick, I'm just tagging Amy over at the TMI Queen Gets Fit because typically I don't know who to tag. And I've tagged some people before that didn't do it, so I don't want to do that if you're not interested in doing it, which no obligation by any means, but I want if you want to do it, let me know. So if you have a channel, let me know. I'll tag you. Yeah. All right. So moving on. Number 4, favorite fall accessory: sweaters and hoodies. Sweaters and hoodies easily. I'm very excited. I spent money I shouldn't have, but half of it goes to charity. But this show called The Guild, I've probably mentioned it before. Felicia Day, I know I've mentioned her before. She is my idol. They just came out with new merchandise, and so I ordered a hoodie that says The Guild on it. I also want to order, they have one that has all their characters, and it says hashtag for the kids. It's an inside joke if you watched it. Basically, they have gotten together and played Dungeons and Dragons, and at first, the first run of it was for charity, and it was for hungry kids. I believe that's the name of the charity. And let's just say some things did not stay PG as far as some of the language and some of the stuff that they did. And so we all just started like saying for the kids, like when this is going on. And so it's really funny, but it's also a cool little thing, and it's a cute shirt. I do want to order that. But the point of this was I ordered the hoodie, and I'm so excited to wear it. It's a zipper hoodie, so I can loosen it up, I can whatever. And you guys have seen my oversized sweater that I love. I know it's not the most flattering when I'm walking around, but honestly, from here up for a video, it's super cute. It's gray. It's like soft quilted feeling. I love that. So that I would have to say is my favorite fall accessory. Number 5 would be favorite Halloween movie. That is freaking hard. I love Halloween movies. Hocus Pocus is probably my favorite. Maybe Nightmare Before Christmas, but that I watch at Halloween and at Christmas. I love the Disney Channel Halloween Town movie series. That was really good. Like Sandy said, I think, wasn't she the one that brought up Beetlejuice? I do like that movie, and I would classify it as a Halloween, even though it's not Halloween type. It's Halloween subjects. But yeah, it's hard to say. Any of those. In fact, now I want to watch all of those, and I might today. Not all of them today. Maybe all of them today. Next question. The last question. So let's make it good. What are you dressing up? What are you dressing up for as Halloween? I don't know. I don't know if I am. I don't know. I don't know if I'm even doing anything because there's a pandemic. But if I do, I can't spend money right now. So if I can find the stuff, I have these blue they're technically cat ears, but I say they're wolf ears or fox ears. I have that, and then in the same blue fur, I have a tail, I have some leg warmers, and I have some wrist cuffs. So in the past, that's typically been an easy default. Throw that stuff on, and maybe do some blue stuff and draw on some whiskers or what have you. So I might go that route, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, but right now I don't know if anything's going on for Halloween, because COVID-19. Okay, so anyway, that's all the questions. So again, thank you, Sandy. Thank you, Tracy. Tagging Amy. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to do this tag, let me know. Make a video. I'll link to it. I'll tag it, whatever. And if you don't have a video or don't have a channel, feel free to answer the questions down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love learning about you guys. So please do it. All right. Thank you, guys. Talk to you Sunday. Yeah. I want to do my weigh-in and maybe a bonus video with my family.